You kidding me? He likes your truck.
Take a picture next to my truck. My phone's not on. On that side.
Unbelievable.
Bug.
Okay, you did or something like that. What's up, buddy?
There you go, pet him. You're right.
Get him. There's some bread in the back of the
Merc or in the Ranger?
Ranger. I don't want to scare him off. Some bread. You want some bread? Look. They must feed him. He's pretty brave. Here you go, buddy. Yeah. Yeah, whatever. A bird will get it.